Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir had a little down day today. We are down 14 cents, minus 0.53%. We close at 26.20, all even numbers. Post-market, we are down a little bit more, 5 cents. What do we have here? So even though we have a red candle, so this means that we opened higher than we closed, we made a higher high and a higher low. So that's not bad at all. We are getting quite close to our upper channel resistance, the second gear of the upper channel resistance. I spoke yesterday about the first gear, which is the first channel here. Then second channel, we had a congestion zone here, but it's really starting to look like a second channel because the highs are really following this resistance line. Where we want to go is right here on this one here, around 30 bucks. This is where we want to go. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something special here. So 930 was right here. So in 130, we opened quite high. We opened higher than where we closed yesterday, then was pushed down, but still making a higher low than the last candle of yesterday. Then we were inching up a little bit higher, trying to pull back what we had lost. And then we started to lose some ground a little bit. But look at the candles are very short. The stock is not moving a lot between the open and close for each hour. It's really subtle moves. MACD crossed over yesterday on the hourly chart, so MACD was starting to tell us, well, okay, things are slowing down a little bit. And stochastic is also showing us the same thing. Stochastic is at 58, so that's not super high. Let's go back to the daily chart. We have this support here at 25.74. We have some room to let the stock take a pause. So if it's taking a pause above 25.74, there's nothing to worry about. If it goes under 25.74, then we might start thinking about doing what we need to do. So depending on your strategy, this is why I don't tell people when to buy and when to sell, because you can decide to hold the stock for longer depending on your risk tolerance. If you want to take a profit, you should start thinking about it. And I can do something like this. See, this is where we are at right now. So there is still room for the stock to play here above 25.74. Do your own research and make your own decisions. So looking at MACD is still super nice. Stochastic at 91 also. So from a daily perspective, the stock is still super strong. DMI is also good. And RSI is also telling us that this move that we have here is a legitimate move because the stock is indeed stronger than when it was here in this congestion zone. So all in all, it's not even a pullback because we made a higher high and a higher low. So it's just a red candle. It's not the same to see a red candle than to see a green candle. So the red candle is just telling us that things are slowing down a little bit, but I think it's very healthy. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month when I do during the weekend my Tesla and Palantir video all into one, looking at the weekly technical chart. And also because we are the first of the month, we are going to look also at the monthly chart to give us a more broader view of where the stock can be going technically. So you can join me. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.